Kakan hun merti jong sogar jala kabalang mentasi ka Arab Saudi ko kelan kot aja Arab Saudi ko larai ban nang ni syakman. Kini ki berung Pulit ki belang Hapdeng ki ba arfo Snem bat Haduh arfo Snem ka arta. Ikan ile tu ba polung do belang no aktin jong sarkar hadim balawai ka jarang juga kun hun menteri. Haka ba oleh tu uru bala penbet thamai na kamta ka minimum age barka maximum age na kamta ki ba apply kam haka kam civil defense and home guard haka kam ERTS bar kam juru ka knat forest and environment kun thubru ki berung haka kam Pulit. Kada bala penkelaya kan ke age limit kadai namar ka jing dawa baka jinglong juga kam habak ke di ban tray.
We also took up the issue of minimum and maximum age limit for recruitment into government service for certain departments. There are effectively 4 such departments where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently, as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defense and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forest and Environment Department, and the Home Police Department. These would, the minimum age in these cases is between the range of 18 to 21 years of age, and the upper age limit, as decided by the cabinet today, has been fixed, ranging from 27 years in the case of ERTS department to 32 years in the case of Civil Defense and Home Guards department to 30 to 32 years in the case of Forest and Environment Department, and 21 years as minimum age limit to 27 years as upper age limit where Home Police Department is concerned. We're also happy to announce here that within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should be in a position to advertise various posts in these departments. There'll be about 3,000 plus posts in various categories in the Home Police Department, and about 500 such posts in the Civil Defense and Home Guards Department. So this is the sum and substance of what was discussed at today's cabinet meeting.